We are building the hull of Santa Maria, Columbus carrack, in 1/65 scale from the Amati kit. Let's try to compress 4 months of work into 3 minutes. It all starts with preparing the structural frame. Laser cut parts are convenient, but they come with char on the edges, and that needs to be cleaned off. At the same time, we check the fit. The bulkheads should slide into the keel firmly, but without force. Next comes assembling the frame. It's critical to control the geometry right away. Fixing it later is much harder. Once everything is aligned and glued, the structure already begins to reassemble the hull. Now go to planking. The first layer is structural. It defines the hull shape and ducts at the base. The planks are relatively wide and stiff, often needing to be bent into place. After sanding, filling and defining the bulk wire line according to the plans, we move on to the finished planking with thinner strips that simulate individual pallets. Next are the decks. We start with the main deck, laying it with individual planks in a staggered pattern. It's important that the surface looks uniform, so the joint between two hulls are fitted especially carefully. Then comes to the quarter deck, the raised aft deck, supported by beams. After that, we move on the castle. The stern becomes tall and massive, while the bow remains compact and slightly heavy just on the original carrack. This is the stage where the model starts to look like a historical ship rather than just a framework. Deck fittings, beads, cleats, the windlass, hatches and ladders bring the deck to life and complete the detailing. The final touch of the stage is the rudder. It's carefully mounted on its edges, aligned, and with that, the stern is complete. At this point, the hull is finished. Next come the masts, spars, and rigging, but that's for the next videos.